Welcome back to Prime Tech, specialized in explaining modern cars aspects. I'm Abdelhad Shaqfa, and today we will show you how to activate Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on Volkswagen Group infotainments, including Skoda, Seat and Audi. Before we continue, we urge you to support us by subscribing to our channel, activate the bell and hit the like button. First, Apple CarPlay. Make sure the phone screen is unlocked. Connect the USB cable. Click Connect, and then the apps will appear on the screen. Also, you can use Siri by holding voice commands button on the steering wheel. Hey Siri, what's the temperature today?
One sec. High temperature for today will be 31 degrees, and the low will be 23.
Hey Siri, guide me to the Capital Mall.
One moment. Getting directions to Capital Mall.
The most important feature is the ability to use Google Maps instead of the original sat-nav maps. Second is the Android Auto. Connect the USB cable and make sure the phone is unlocked. On the phone, choose File Transfer. Go to App Connect. The phone name appears. Click Android Auto. This phone is not activated before, so you have to agree on all privacy and terms of use pop-up windows. Connecting to phone. And then the apps appear, and also you can use Google voice commands exactly as Siri. Thanks indeed for watching.